Are you still taking photos like a tourist? Next time when you see a cool spot, try this. Switch to panorama mode, turn your phone to horizontal, get low, and move your phone upward slowly.
Is this how you take your selfies? Next time when you see foliage, try this. Lay your phone on the ground, grab some leaves, and turn on self-timer.
Drop it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
On a rainy night, try this. Add a light underneath the umbrella and turn on night mode.
Fun photo idea with a moving object behind you using your phone. First, turn on live mode on the top right corner, stand very still, and take some photos while the car is moving. Find your photo, swipe up, and click on long exposure, and this is what it looks like. Try it for yourself.
Try this with a friend. Turn on live and self-timer. Have the person rock their body slightly while you stay still for 3 seconds. Swipe up and select long exposure. Here's the result. iPhone photography tricks that just make sense. To go from photo to video, just press the shutter and slide to the right. To activate burst mode and take lots of photos, just tap the circle and slide to the left. To change the area of focus, just tap the screen where you want the focus to be. To lock the focus and exposure, just tap and hold until you see AEAF lock. Tap the screen and slide up or down to adjust the exposure of your photos. To take photos while recording a video, just tap the white circle on the right corner. To take horizontal photos with your phone, just use the volume button.